Okay, hi. Today, I will be doing a taste test of a clearance rack candy item I got for 50 cents. This is what we're doing. Oh, whatever. There's a picture of a boy looking stupid on it, which checks out. That will be me. Bean Boozled Fiery Five challenge. Bring it on. Here's the thing. I can't handle a ton of spice because I'm a puss. There's 5 different flavors in here and they're supposed to go up in terms of how hot they are. There's Sriracha, Jalapeno, Cayenne, Habanero, and Carolina Reaper. Let me preface this by saying I have watched the show Hot Ones, and I do see people try to carry on conversations as if their mouth isn't burning off like a flaming dumpster. So I'm gonna do my best. It says warning, extremely hot. It's candy, so how hot could it be? But it was on the clearance rack. Bean Boozled is by Jelly Belly, not to be confused with the Harry Potter version, which is like, taste this booger jelly bean, and it's like, why? I do have a drink, my trusty Zevia, which just like truly shows that I'm in my 30s. Woo! Are you ready to try these jelly beans? So let's get into it. Oh, at the bottom it says consume at your own risk. Oh, well, I'll risk it. They don't smell like candy. I don't feel like this is gonna be fun anymore. They wouldn't do it. Oof. Sriracha is the most mild. So this is solid red. It smells fine. I don't even like Sriracha. It's spicy. Why is this a jelly bean? I quit. What the f***? What the f***? That's spicier than Sriracha. Ugh. That's awful. I'm not even lying, I'm really not enjoying this already, and I thought it would be fun. And I'm tempted to quit. Wow. That's a full-on living nightmare. Damn, I'm on Sriracha and I'm tearing up. I gotta get like some sort of, okay, just in case I have heavy cream. I don't think I'm gonna swallow them from now on. Have some palate cleansing Cheerios. Okay, jalapeno, let's do it. Bang it out. Jalapeno, the only green one. There's jalapeno. I don't like it. It tastes like an actual jalapeno. Like it tastes like a vegetable. That's heinous. I don't know how I'm gonna get through this. Ugh, I'm nauseous. This isn't like fun for me. I'm having a meltdown. I feel like one of those girls in porn who's just like for so long. And then she's just over it. I don't know if I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna be honest. Why do people like stuff like this? You know, I'm a adult. I don't have to eat these if I don't want to. I can eat marshmallows and shit. Oh, sorry, I like stuff that tastes good. Yeah, I'm a pussy. You. I'm an adult and I don't have to do anything I don't want to do. And I don't want to eat those fucking disgusting jelly beans. I pay rent. I'm not gonna torture myself. All right, I'll try cayenne. Cayenne cannot be that bad. I've done the maple syrup diet. I've tried cayenne. Boop, 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 boop. Cayenne has a better flavor. It's still not good, and the jelly beans get stuck in your teeth so it lingers. Oh, I hate this. Nope. I don't have to do this. You. Hot peppers are for losers. Ugh. Am I gonna throw up? I feel like I'm gonna throw up a little bit. I don't care. Whatever. I'm done with this. It's trash. F you. That was without a doubt the worst candy I've ever had in my life. And that's coming from someone who loves black licorice. 0 out of 0, don't recommend. Those jelly beans are so bad that they are 2020. Dead serious. Anyway, I'm done.